2026. Let us give honor to the individuals who represent the pursuit of knowledge, service, and excellence as we observe the academic procession. The third. City College Alumni Association President. The Honorable Richard. The Honorable Gerald Anthony Samson Vargas Julius Jr.
For his online alias, Umar. He is born Cebuano, who holds a degree in Bachelor of Science in Architecture, often referred to as UA worldwide since 2019 to present. Fifth, in their lives, we are grateful to hear from someone who understands the value of perseverance, faith, and hard work. His message is sure to creativity and motivation. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome our commencement speaker, Mr. Joseph Omar Sabel.
Kung isa na rin yung Cebuano content creator, masakit yung si Mayor something. Anyways, before ko nisuot this SMC site, nakikasugat nga siya, anak ko, pwede ko kayo service organizer. Ano siya, yes. Anak ko, pili, i-allot ka time ninyo for my speech. Ano sa 10 minutes, anak ko, kanay. Because I want to provide value sa Talisayanos. So, it was at last 2026. So is it okay? Wala po, 20 minutes? Yeah. So, before Richard Francis showing us now, the honorable members of Sangguniang Pangusol, the esteemed members of the Talisay City College Board of Trustees, guests, the class of 2026, and most importantly, balik-balik to the proud parents. Good morning and thank you for having me.
At this moment, the class of 2026 will give their graduation song entitled Pangandoy, composed and arranged within no less than the Talisay City College Rural Creative Assistant Director.